The 26/11 Mumbai attack was a harrowing event that left 166 dead and a city paralyzed under siege for 60 hours. This tragedy wasn't just India's, it sent shockwaves around the globe, marking a pivotal moment in the fight against terrorism. The attack exposed significant security lapses in India, and sparked a worldwide realization that terrorism could strike anywhere, at any time. In response, nations across the globe reassessed their counter-terrorism strategies, enhancing surveillance, intelligence sharing, and emergency preparedness. It also strained India-Pakistan relations, as the attackers were linked to Pakistani-based groups, leading to increased international pressure for stronger anti-terrorism measures. The key moment came when the world recognized that terrorism was a global menace requiring a united front. This led to landmark international collaborations aimed at tracking and neutralizing terror networks across borders. The lasting impact of the 26/11 attack is evident in the strengthened global security protocols and the ongoing, shared fight against terrorism, a fight that continues to shape our world today. How do you think the world has changed since 26/11? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.